If you've been following along, you know that I've been helping out my father with his digital product. As you can see here on day one of me actually helping him, which is the 24th, $27 in revenue. The next day, which is the 25th, $62, and then now $81. Everything here that I'm showing you can be applied to your own business. I'm going to share my screen so that you can kind of see how I did this in just 3 days. Mind you, this is just the front end. The back end of his business is starting to kick in. So let me go ahead and show you real quick. All right, you can see here on day one, we had a leads issue. He had a ebook, which is designed to convert warm leads into paying customers. He had that down, but unfortunately, he did not have the cold leads down. This is where he was missing opportunity. So the cold leads essentially is just those that aren't informed as to what you do, what you're about, but you don't want to just leave them hanging. So what we did was create a video, a longer form video for them to consume. That's for free. So in exchange, we get their email and their name. And then when they fill out we instantly email them a survey. This is just for us to understand if the next thing they're actually wanting is even a course. The course right now is just a placeholder because that's what he has created already. We also set up a email campaign for those that purchase the $27 ebook to motivate them to the course. Again, it's just a placeholder for right now. As we collect those cold leads, as you've seen in the screen share in the beginning of this video, day two, it actually started working. We doubled the leads. We finally got to secure some cold leads. We're testing out the email sequence right now and the survey. We got 3 people to fill out the survey to understand what they're actually needing help with, what will they actually invest in. The ebook, we also have emails working on the back end. On top of that, we also added something very small to test. This is something I wanted to do, which is a audiobook version to see if that will motivate them to buy the ebook even more. So far, we only got 1 purchase. Not too bad, but I want to wait at least 14 days to ensure what we're doing is actually working or give it enough time to test. So I'm going to come back to this here in another video. But aside from that, so far, when he wasn't working with me, he only got 1 lead every time he went on social media. On day 1, we did a few tweaks. He generated 10 leads, and now we've completely tripled, sitting at 22 leads, and this is just the 3rd day. So now let's go ahead and go to day 3, which is us just testing and kind of just waiting is the best way I could put it. So what I mean by testing phase, all I'm really doing is testing out the back end, which is the emails that are being sent out when he sells an ebook. And when there is the free lead magnet that is being used to collect people's emails. As of right now, this email sequence is just 7 days, by the way. This is for me to kind of test out to see how many people are opening. Are people actually reading? Are they clicking? So that's all this is for. Based on what I'm able to see on the back end, I can kind of already tell. I just don't want to assume because we're going to let it go through the 7 to 14 days before we convert to SMS, which is simply just text instead of email. This has to do with his demographic, age, things of that nature. So I'm going to test both of these, but I want to do one at a time so I know which variable to switch out. Is it the messaging? Is it the product? Is it deliverability of how we are sending out these messages. I don't want to change too many things because as we seen on day 1, we already added this one free lead magnet. Day 2, all I did was add the audio. Day 3, I simply just want to test out to see if the emailing, the messaging, and everything that we set up so far is actually working before we begin to tweak things. So that's about it for this video. I'm gonna leave this link down below just so you can kind of follow along